Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can download the PadPad app on your phone. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up the Play Store app. After the home page of the Play Store app opens up on your screen, on the top of your screen you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the search bar, type in PAT and hit the search button. After you hit the search button, the PadPad app will appear on your screen. On the right hand side of the app, you'll see a install button. Go ahead and click on it. After the PadPad app is completely downloaded and installed onto your device, an open button will appear on your screen. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on the open button, and if the app is completely downloaded and installed onto your device, as you can see on my screen, you'll have the PadPad app ready to use on your Android device. I hope this video helped you to download the PadPad app on your device. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.